Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill outlet bins and see what we can find. Oh man, somebody has some good stuff in their cart already. I think I see a cross-stitch piece right here. My gosh, look how cute this is. That is adorable. It's actually, I think this is actually creel, not cross-stitch. It is $6.99, definitely coming home with me. Oh my gosh, this is a blast from the past Payless shoe store. I used to love shopping here. I like when I find practical things I actually need at the Goodwill bins. I need one of these. Add that to my cart. Looks like they have toys, glassware. Oh, look at these cards. It's cute. I think you put your photo right there. Oh, here's some very pretty ribbon. Okay, I'm gonna get this. I really like the green velvet with the gold. There's a whole bin of little wood pieces. It kind of looks like firewood. I have no idea. There's a whole bin of it. What is this? Oh, look, it's a little raccoon and a bird. It's kind of like a fall scene. There are more of these. Some of them are different. Oh, look, the bear. That is precious. Okay, I'm gonna get these. Here's two more scenes: a fox and a bird, and a squirrel and some birds and some mushrooms. Oh, okay. I think it's like a spindle leg or a chair leg that they turned into a dragonfly. Ooh, I love this. Look at that brass lion and this beautiful green color. It's in really good condition. All right, add that to the cart. See what else is in here. It's a bunch of knitting needles. I think I'm going to get the wooden ones, and then they have some with numbers on top. Those are really cute. Should I get the case? The case is kind of cool as well. I got the green ones too. I'm trying to think of a Christmas DIY I could do with these. If you have any ideas, let me know. I really like these wooden frames. They have a really nice matte velvet backing. I feel like these could go anywhere in my house, so I'm going to add them to the cart. Ren has been adding lots of stuff to the cart. She's here shopping with me as well. All right. Oh, that's where she got the life money. Lots of toys. There's always lots of toys around Christmas time. I guess people are kind of purging in preparation for the new Christmas season. Ooh, do y'all see what I see? Look at this basket. It looks like the top is coming off, but okay, so on this side the whole top is off, and I think that still looks good. This would be great for the Christmas season because I could put some Christmas presents and stuff in here. Maybe like a Christmas tree on this side, Christmas presents here. I don't know. It's like a cool old vintage basket. I like the look of it. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart. These baskets are also really cute. I love the color of them. I think they're newer pieces. Made in China, was 99 cents, but wouldn't this look good with a Christmas tree in it? I'm gonna just grab them. That way I have them if I need them. I do like brass, but I don't know. Are these brass pieces coming back in style? There's 3 of them, which I feel like is good. And you can move all these pieces around. I'm trying to think. I think like over a piece of art or something, or a doorway would look really cool. I'm gonna add them to my cart and think about it, but y'all let me know. Are these back in style, or should I leave these at the Goodwill bins? Ren found her a ribbon stick. She's putting on a performance at the Goodwill bins. Here's some pieces to some light fixtures. I've done a video where I've taken these and made them look antique and put a Christmas tree in them. It came out super cute. I will put a link to that video in the comments. Maybe I might get 2 of those just to have on hand if I want to do it for my own decor. Oh, look! Oh my gosh. There's 3 of them. Okay, I turned these into Christmas ornaments. So every time I find them, I pick them up. They look so pretty hanging on my tree. Yay, I have 3 more. I think this is a giant candle. There's another one right there. Oh, I love these little ceramic, like brown bag looking pieces. Looks like the handles need to be re-glued, but I can do that. Look at little purple flowers. It does have a little hairline crack right here. Yeah, I don't see it on the inside. And it has the flowers on both sides. So yeah, I'm gonna get this piece. Some glass pieces, a little bowl. I don't know if that's a planter. Oh, just wondering what that was. Side, I don't know, it's rubbed off. Okay, is it really necessary to put the word sugar twice on here? Shoes, baby dolls. Look at this bench right here. Okay, ignore whatever animal this is on top. Look at the base, how pretty. Let me put it down. It has flathead screws, so this is definitely an older metal piece, and you could just take this off and put a piece of wood. That would be really pretty. I think the price was $20. Should I get this for $20 and turn it into something amazing? It's a little piece of Christmas greenery, but you could put that in something and make it look like a Christmas tree. I'm gonna get that. What is this? What in the world is this? I have no clue. What is that here? I don't understand what that is. Like cleared out the wood out at a Goodwill. And it all ended up here. I don't really see anything that I am interested in. This is Live Simply. I thought maybe it said something Christmas, and that would have been cute. I like the gold and the white. All right, get my little tree right here. Ooh, they bringing out some new bins right now. Okay. Does anybody need this plate right here? There's a bunch of little champagne bottles in here. Oh, I think it's actually bubbles. Okay, since I put in my trinket trays, I'm so into the minis. Look, this little dog right here. It says Bone China, made in Japan. Okay, what kind of animal do y'all think this is? That is so weird. It's kind of cute. We're gonna get that. Look at this precious little girl. She's adorable. Are there any other? Oh look, there are more minis in here. Here's another little girl. They just brought out those bins. I don't have to go dig. Let me check the rest of this for any more little minis that we might need. Wait, what's in here? Oh, that's stuck to this. All right, I'm just gonna grab these right here. Here's a little handmade piece. It's a basket with some apples in it. Do y'all think this is coasters or just decor? These would make cute little Christmas ornaments for a teacher's tree. Maybe I'll get it. Somebody might want this. I like the shape of this frame right here. I think it would look good painted in distress, and I can find something else to put in the middle. You could also hang this way as well. All right, add that to the cart. All right, we have not been here that long, but I got a good amount of stuff. We have to head out. Ren had a program at school today, so I checked her out early, and we have lots of fun things planned, and the bins was just our first stop. So I got picture frames. I got these knitting needles. If you have an idea for the green ones, let me know. We got these cute little vintage cards, some baskets from me, some little cute minis right here. So overall, a very good day. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. Ren, you want to tell them bye?
Bye!
There's Ren's little bucket of goodies.